Hello and welcome back to the Creator Lab. Today I'm going to share 3 ways that you can make your basic Canva website look premium. Let's go ahead and get into the tips. So one of the easy ways to upgrade your Canva website is to add links. I'm going to show you here how I'm going to add an external link to my Canva website that leads to my portfolio for my graphic design work. You can add any link you want, of course. This will actually lead directly to my website once I've gone ahead and selected done. And when you click on this, this will lead outside of the Canva website that I've created. Now I'm going to show you how to create an internal link. This will lead you to one of the pages that you already have set on your Canva website, and you just go ahead and select the actual page that you're wanting to link this, link to. And you are, it's pretty simple. So you select the page. As you see, I'm actually just going down to see which one I actually want. And then once you do that, you'll select done. And this, in practice, you'll go ahead and see the preview here. The first page or the first link will lead to an external website, shows my portfolio work. And I'm going to show you how the internal link goes to a page directly that, on the Canva website that's already created as well. So this was pretty simple. So the next thing that we're going to do is create an animation on text. Now in Canva, you can pretty much add motion or animate any object, but this is just me going through adding new text just to recreate the little circle that I have here, the circle of text, trying to match those things up. And once I go ahead and add the text that I want, and I get everything adjusted to my liking, you add the color, change the font, change the sizing. You'll actually want to curve the text by using the effects tool in Canva, which we'll get to in just a moment. But in the meantime, I'm going ahead and adding the text that I want. And to create this similar effect, what I'm going to go ahead and do is click on effects, and we're going to look for the curve option. And this will allow you to control how much of a curve you have on the actual text. And it's not quite looking the way that I want just yet. So what I might do is make a few adjustments by making the text a little smaller, and then creating a little bit of spacing in between the letters. So here I'm just checking to see where the differences are and changing the sizing. Again, going ahead and creating just a little bit more space in between the lettering. And then, of course, I'll adjust the curve amount again to make sure that the text is not overlapping. And then once I have everything spaced the way that I desire, I'm going to go to the animate tool and locate rotate. And what that will do is it will put a rotation on the actual text and make this go into a circle. So simple. This is just one of the things that you can do in Canva. Very easy, very quick, and just adds a little bit of something extra to that particular part of the web page. So the next thing I want to show you is how to actually embed a YouTube video on your Canva website. Again, this is hosted directly in Canva. So you're going to go to the YouTube embed app, which is in Canva. And when you say use app, it allows you to search YouTube. So I'm going to search the Creator Lab, which is my channel on YouTube. Shameless plug. And so I'm looking for a particular video that I want to add. But You pretty much will just search for that video, whether you have it on your own channel. And then you click it and it automatically adds it to the page. And of course, we're just going to resize this particular video so that it is, in line and the proper sizing to match with the first video that I already have linked to the page. So just making some adjustments, and Canva does have grid tools, so you can check those out. But I want to show you really quickly what this looks like. So you can actually play the YouTube video directly on your Canva hosted website, and you don't even have to leave the page in order for the video to work. I'm not playing the sound right now, but the sound, of course, does also work, and you'll be able to play those videos, or your visitors to your website will be able to play those videos directly on the site without leaving, and they'll be able to see the content. Okay, so I hope that this was helpful. Let me know in the comments what you think of these tips, and if there's anything that you have questions about, let me know and I'll try to make some videos based on your questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.